Have you ever wondered where the best wines in the world come from? Well, let's embark on a journey to discover the top 5 wine regions you should consider visiting. These regions not only promise delightful wine tasting experiences, but also offer stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant local culture. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we find ourselves venturing to the far reaches of the Southern Hemisphere, to the Marlborough region in New Zealand. This region is world-renowned for producing some of the most exquisite wines, with its crown jewel being the vibrant and refreshing Sauvignon Blanc. The perfect balance of sun, soil, and cool maritime climate in Marlborough lends its wines a unique and unmistakable character that's truly a treat for the senses. So if you're a wine enthusiast looking for a unique tasting experience in a picturesque setting, Marlborough should definitely be on your radar. Marlborough, a wine lover's paradise down under, makes our number 5 spot. Moving on, we cross the Pacific to our number 4 spot. Welcome to the stunning Napa Valley, nestled in the heart of sunny California, USA. This region has etched its name into the annals of wine history, renowned for its world-class Cabernet Sauvignon and Chardonnay. Take a moment to imagine the rolling vineyards under the golden California sun, with the scent of ripe grapes floating on the breeze. But what truly sets Napa Valley apart is its commitment to sustainable winemaking. The vineyards here don't just produce exquisite wines, they are also caretakers of the land, embracing methods that protect the environment and conserve resources. This dedication to sustainability only amplifies the richness and depth of the wines they produce. So if you're seeking a wine experience that marries the best of tradition and innovation, Napa Valley is a must-visit destination. Napa Valley, a place where wine and nature harmonize, comes in at number 4. Let's jet off to Europe for our number 3 spot. Picture this: rolling hills, sun-soaked vineyards, and the rich aroma of fermenting grapes. Welcome to the heart of Italy, the Tuscany region, a place where wine isn't just a beverage but a way of life. Tuscany is home to some of the world's most notable wine regions, including Chianti, known for its robust reds, and the prestigious Brunello di Montalcino, a region whose wines are a testament to the art of Italian winemaking. These wines aren't just beverages, they're a history lesson in a glass, a reflection of centuries of winemaking traditions passed down through generations. But it's not just the wine that makes Tuscany stand out. The region's landscape is a visual feast, with its beautiful vineyards stretching as far as the eye can see. It's no wonder that Tuscany has become a must-visit destination for wine lovers worldwide. Tuscany, where history and wine intertwine, captures the 3rd spot. We're getting closer to the top. Here's our number 2. Now let's take an imaginary flight across the Atlantic to the charming land of France. Our runner-up is none other than the globally acclaimed Bordeaux region. This enchanting area is a wine lover's paradise, boasting a rich history that dates back to the 8th century. Bordeaux is home to some of the most renowned wines worldwide, including the elegant Merlot, the robust Cabernet Sauvignon, and the sweet Sauterne. The region's unique soil composition and temperate maritime climate allow for the cultivation of different grape varieties, contributing to the diverse range of flavors and styles that Bordeaux wines offer. Bordeaux is not just about wines, though. It's also about the experience. The region is dotted with elegant chateaux that seem to have leapt straight out of a fairy tale. These chateaux, many of which have been converted into wineries, offer visitors a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in the tradition and culture of winemaking. But the allure of Bordeaux extends beyond its wines and chateaux. The region is nestled around the scenic Gironde estuary, a place where the Garonne and Dordogne rivers meet and flow into the Atlantic Ocean. The estuary is a sight to behold, with its lush vineyards, charming villages, and picturesque landscapes that change with the seasons. In Bordeaux, every glass of wine tells a story. It's a story of tradition, of passion, and of the relentless pursuit of perfection. It's a story that's been centuries in the making, and one that continues to evolve with each passing harvest. So, whether you're a seasoned wine connoisseur or a curious traveler seeking new experiences, Bordeaux will not disappoint. It's a region that offers something for everyone, from the allure of its world-class wines to the charm of its scenic landscapes and elegant chateaux. Bordeaux, the epitome of elegance and tradition, is our second-best wine region. Here, every sip is a journey through time, a celebration of the old world's charm and the spirit of innovation that continues to shape the future of winemaking. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, Our top wine region is the captivating Rioja region in Spain. This region is a wine lover's paradise, teeming with vineyards that sprawl across the stunning landscapes of northern Spain. The crown jewel of Rioja is undoubtedly the Tempranillo grape, a name that rolls off the tongue as smoothly as the wine it produces. Tempranillo, meaning little early one, is a reference to the grape's tendency to ripen several weeks earlier than other Spanish varietals. The resulting wine is rich and full-bodied with a complexity that's hard to match. But what truly sets Rioja apart isn't just the quality of its grapes, it's the region's innovative winemaking techniques that have been honed over centuries. These techniques have evolved from traditional processes to incorporate modern technology, all in the pursuit of crafting the perfect bottle of wine. Winemakers in Rioja are not afraid to experiment. They've been known to play with different fermentation methods, aging periods, and oak treatments to bring out the best in their wines. These techniques have resulted in a diverse range of styles, from the light and fruity Jovenis, aged for less than a year, to the robust and complex Gran Reservas, aged for a minimum of 5 years. The region's dedication to quality is evident in every aspect of its winemaking process. From the meticulous care taken in the vineyards to the rigorous standards set by the Consejo Regulador, the governing body of the region, every step is taken to ensure that the wines produced in Rioja are of the highest caliber. Beyond the vineyards, the Rioja region also offers breathtaking views of rolling hills, ancient monasteries, and charming villages. It's a place where the beauty of nature seamlessly blends with the art of winemaking, creating an experience that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. Rioja, where innovation meets quality, is our top wine region to visit. So, when are you planning your wine tour? Before we close, let's take a moment to appreciate the magical journey we've embarked on through the world's top wine regions. From the rustic charm of Napa Valley to the historic vineyards of Bordeaux, the sun-soaked hills of Tuscany, to the innovative wineries of Rioja, we've tasted the essence of these incredible places in each sip of their exquisite wines. As we wrap up this tour, we hope we've inspired you to explore these regions for yourself. Remember, each bottle of wine is a story of the land, the climate, and the people who have poured their heart and soul into every grape. So, go ahead, uncork a new adventure and let your senses guide you on a journey around the globe. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Share it with your fellow wine enthusiasts, and let's spread the love for these incredible wine regions. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more wine adventures around the world. We've got a lot more in store for you, from deep dives into specific varietals to interviews with renowned winemakers. And finally, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these wine regions have you visited? Which ones are on your bucket list? Is there a particular wine that's captured your heart? Let us know in the comments below. We're always eager to hear about your wine experiences and recommendations. So, here's to your next wine voyage. May it be filled with delightful discoveries, memorable moments, and of course, exceptional wines. Cheers!